I spent the last few weeks testing every single way to create an AI music video, and I found the one that actually gets results. And if you skip this, you are missing out on creating music videos in a few minutes while others are going to keep posting. So by the end of this video, you are going to know the exact process to turn any song into a finished, postable music video with a consistent character, cinematic scenes, and real motion, built entirely with AI. The main tool we'll be using today is called OpenArt, which is an all-in-one platform that allows us to build everything we need, all under one subscription. If you want to follow along, I've left a link for OpenArt in the description below. Now keep in mind, this workflow is not just for AI-generated music. It works with your own music and with songs that already exist. However, to show you the full workflow, we're going to use Suno AI to generate a song and build everything from scratch. The first thing we need is a song, and I want to show you how fast this part actually is because most people assume generating music takes forever. Head over to Suno and you will see the main screen with a prompt box. Now, instead of just writing something generic like pop song, you need to be specific. The more details you write about the mood, the energy, and the style, the better your song is going to match the visual world you are about to build around it. For this video, I want something cinematic and emotional, the kind of track that already feels like it belongs in a music video. So I'm going to type this prompt. Hit create and Suno gives you two versions to choose from. Always listen to both before you decide, because sometimes the second one is the better one. I really like this one, so I'll select it. Download the one you like and we are ready to move on. But before we can create a single visual, there is one thing we need to build first, and it is the thing that makes or breaks the entire music video. Without a consistent character, your music video is just a collection of random clips. This is the step that ties everything together. Now we are inside OpenArt. When you land on the main dashboard, you will see a row of options across the top: story, video, image, character, world, and audio. We are starting with character because every scene and clip we generate is going to be built around this one person. So getting this right first makes the whole video hold together. Click on character and then click create a character. You will see three options here. The first is start from an image, and this is great if you want to star in your own music video. You upload a photo and OpenArt builds a character based on that face and its features. The second option is describe your character, where you write out what you want in text. That's good if you want to experiment or want something fast. And the third, which is what we are doing today, is build your character, because it gives us full control while creating, so click on that one. The first thing it asks you to choose is the look vibe. There are a lot of options here, like casual, street, fashion, and a few others. Our song has that cinematic, emotional energy, so I'm going with vintage glam, because it matches the drama of the track perfectly. Next, you choose the gender, the ethnicity, and the age range. I am going with female, Caucasian, and young adult. Then there's an additional description field. This one is optional, but I suggest you use it because it helps the AI understand your idea better. I'll paste in this description and hit generate. I have 4 options to choose from, so I'll choose the one that matches my vision the most. Everything is exactly like I described, and she matches the vibe of our music video. And with OpenArt, you can use this character in multiple generations, and they'll stay consistent in every single one. Now that we have her, it is time to actually create our visuals. The images we are about to create are going to become the actual frames of the music video, so the prompts we write here matter a lot. Head back to the main dashboard and click on image, then create image. This opens the image generation workspace. The first thing you want to do is select your model. Click the model selector and choose Nano Banana 2. This model is one of the best available, and one of the things that sets it apart is that it can generate up to 4K resolution. Most models cap out well below that, and for a music video where you want sharp cinematic visuals, that extra quality shows. In the prompt box, the first thing you are going to do is add your character, then type the @ symbol, and your character's name will come up as an option. Select her, and now every image you generate will feature her in the scene. For our first image, I want an opening shot, something that immediately establishes the mood of the song. So I'll paste in this prompt. Before you hit generate, turn on auto polish. What this does is take your prompt and automatically refine it to make the output better. Then set your aspect ratio to 16:9 and bump the resolution up to 4K. And now hit generate. This looks really good, like an actual frame from a real music video. Let's do another one. This time I want a B-roll shot with no character, just a scene that adds visual variety and matches the emotional tone of the song. I'll paste in my prompt and generate. That is exactly the kind of shot that makes a music video feel like it has depth. You do not need your character in every single frame. B-roll like this gives the video room to breathe and makes the whole thing feel more produced. From here, the process is completely identical for every image you want to create. Tag your character when you want her in the shot, write your scene, keep auto polish on, and generate. I'm going to speed through the rest because I ended up making about 12 images total, mixing character shots with B-roll across different locations and moods, all tied together by the same visual language. Now that all our images are ready, the next step is where our music video will start coming together. We'll turn our image into a moving cinematic clip, and the results look nothing like what you would expect from AI. Go back to the main dashboard and click on video, then select frame to video. This is the image to video workspace. Here you will see the option to upload your starting frame. Upload the rooftop shot we generated first. Now in the prompt box, you are going to describe the motion. Be specific about what you want to happen in the scene. For this shot, I'll paste in this. Then click on the model selector and choose Kling 3. This is a great model for character consistency and multi-shot generations that are perfect for music videos. Set the duration to 5 seconds and hit generate. 5 seconds might sound short, but it is actually the sweet spot for music video clips. Most cuts in a professional music video are between 3 and 6 seconds long, so each generation you make is already the right length to drop straight into your edit without trimming. The result came back great. It actually looks like it was filmed by a production crew. That's the level Kling 3 is operating at. And because we started from a high-quality image with a consistent character, Kling 3 has everything it needs to keep her looking the same throughout the motion. That is why the image generation step matters so much. Let's do one more. Upload the rainy cobblestone street image and write your prompt. This clip looks so good. Cuts like this between character shots are what make a music video feel like it was actually produced rather than just assembled. From here, the process is exactly the same for every image. Upload, write your motion prompt, choose your model, and generate. So I am going to speed through the rest. Now we have everything we need and it's time to put it all together. This is where all our individual clips actually turn into a music video. I am using CapCut for this, but you can use whatever editor you are comfortable with. Start by importing all your video clips and your song into the project. Drag your song onto the audio track first, because this is your anchor. Everything you do visually is going to be built around the music. Start placing your clips on the timeline and think about the structure of the song as you do it. The goal is for the edit to feel seamless, like the visuals were always meant to exist together. Export, and you have a finished music video.
Broken glass on the kitchen floor, coffee cold, you're at the door. Same old fear in a different shade, same four walls, but they start to shake.
This looks incredible, and it was created in only a few minutes. This workflow also works great for short-form content, and the process is completely identical. The only thing that changes is the aspect ratio. When you are generating your images in OpenArt, instead of 16:9 widescreen, you switch to 9:16 vertical. Do the same in frame to video when you animate your clips. Then in your editor, you are working in a vertical timeline, drop your clips in, add the song, cut to the beat, and you have something ready to post directly to Reels or TikTok. The quality is exactly the same, it is just formatted for the platform. And short-form music video content is performing really well right now. With this workflow, you can create a fully fledged music video for every song and use case you want. And with OpenArt, you can do all of it inside one platform without paying for 5 different subscriptions. If you want to start creating your own music videos today, click the link for OpenArt in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.